little bit about what you do. How did this come to San Antonio?
Well, actually, it started with my sister and myself. We are originally from the island of Guam, so we've been around the Polynesian culture for all our lives, pretty much.
Yeah.
And so we decided in 2009 to bring it to San Antonio.
Yeah, because we didn't have anything like this here. I hadn't seen any or heard anything.
So we just started doing gigs kind of around the town, and before we knew it, we started teaching, and now we travel. We've gone to Missouri, Alabama. We've just gone all over, anywhere anybody wants to hire hula dancers.
Good. So you guys do live performances.
We do.
And you guys have a lot of cool things coming up, right?
Yes, we do. We have Desert Polynesia Presents Hitio Te Mahana, Holidays in Polynesia 2011. And it's our very first production that we're putting on, and especially for our Haumana, our students, to showcase all of the things that they've been learning through the year.
I was noticing some of the students are so young. Do you guys start really, really young?
Yes,
when you're
yes.
Really? How old is this cute little one?
This is my little one.
What's
She's
your
5.
name?
Hi, Leia.
Hi, Leia. You like to dance, Mama? Yes. How about you?
Joseph.
Yes. And how about you?
I'm Tegan, and I'm 8, and I love to dance.
Oh, my God. Well, you guys are so super cute. They start early and they continue on with it, huh?
Yes.
Yes. Well, we are excited to learn more about what you do and are ready to see your performance. Here it is, Holidays in Polynesia. It's happening at the Josephine Theater. That's located at 339 West Josephine, and that show is happening this Saturday at 6 p.m. And there's the phone number if you'd like to get tickets, 210-310-4312, and check them out on their website, desertpolynesia.com. And here is Holidays in Polynesia.